We just received a letter from the President of the United States at the White House. And so as they are getting in place, the Chief Overseer has asked us to read that to you. I send my warmest greetings to the House of God Church as you gather for your 2024 Annual General Assembly. We turn to places of worship to bolster our faith and lift our spirits. Like so many Americans, faith has sustained Jill and me throughout our lives. It reminds us of the importance of treating all people with dignity and decency. It awakens our passion to act and to serve. And houses of worship like the House of God Church remind us of the nation we can become when we see each other as fellow human beings who are created in the image of God and are equally deserving of love and respect. We are blessed to live in a country where we can all practice our faiths freely and come together to lift each other in prayer. On this wonderful occasion, I extend my thanks to your congregation, the House of God Church, for the role it plays in our communities. May God bless you all, and may God bless America. President Joe Biden.